In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a video to OneDrive, step by step. We'll go through each detail, ensuring that you can follow along easily and upload your video to OneDrive with confidence. To begin, you'll need access to a device with an internet connection. This could be a computer, tablet, or smartphone. Ensure you have your video file ready to upload. If you don't already have a OneDrive account, you'll need to create one, or you can simply sign into an existing account. Now, open your web browser and go to onedrive.com. Here, you'll be greeted by the sign-in page. Use your Microsoft credentials to log in. If you're signing in for the first time on this device, you may be asked to verify your identity, which could involve entering a code sent to your email or phone. Once you're logged into OneDrive, you'll see the main dashboard. This is where all your files are stored in the cloud. Now, look toward the top menu where you'll see a button labeled Upload. Hover over this button, and a drop-down menu will appear giving you two options, Files and Folder. Since we're focusing on uploading a single video file, go ahead and click on Files. This action will prompt a File Explorer window to open. Navigate through your folders until you locate the video file you wish to upload. Click on the file to select it. If you wish to upload multiple video files at once, simply hold down the Control key on Windows or Command key on Mac while selecting additional files. After making your selection, click Open. The upload process will now begin. You'll notice a progress indicator displayed somewhere within the OneDrive interface, usually at the top right corner. This shows you the status of the upload, including percentage completed and estimated time remaining. Upload time might vary based on your internet speed and the file size of the video. While your video uploads, it's important to avoid interrupting the process by closing the browser or turning off your device. If everything goes smoothly, you'll receive a notification once the upload is complete. Now, your video is securely stored in the cloud. You can share it with others by right-clicking on the file in OneDrive and selecting Share. This allows you to email a link directly or copy the link to share as you please. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to upload your videos to OneDrive. With these steps, you can easily manage and share your media content online. Happy uploading!